This is the Easter program with what? With difference. Which the first time we're having Easter program with celebration. Praise the Lord. I say with what? And we said that some people will carry Keke will go home. Some people will carry sewing machine, go home. Some people go with Bible. Some can even with a motorbike. That's where necessary. There's going to be distribution. And then there's going to be sharing of rice and minerals. Are you hearing me? Some of the newcomers can even get monetary, a kind of cash. But we have been doing something like that in ordinary program. But this Easter, we said, this is an Easter program with what? That we are going to share as a result of celebrating the death and burial, resurrection of Jesus. That is what celebrating.